um, fuel, and everything else. Hindi natutuwa sa atin ng mga smugglers. Pinagtitirik tayo ng kandila ng mga yan. Ang nakakikita sa atin, koleksyon. But don't forget, and the public should always remember that we are putting our lives, security on the line. And I thank the intelligence group and enforcement group for that. Maraming salamat, DEPCOM Loli and DEPCOM Romy, for the risk that you and your men are taking. This is the reason why I reported last time that for 2025 alone, there are 1,024 successful operations done by BOC, amounting successful anti-smuggling operations accomplished by BOC, which delivered at least 61 billion worth of smuggled goods. At dito sa sigarilyo na to na laging pinag-uusapan, akala ng iba, hindi tayo gumagalaw. Yet, records would show more than 317 successful interdictions have been done by BOC. Mahigit 2 bilyon na ang ating nahuli ng mga illicit cigarettes. And I'm thankful. Now, given that as our accomplishments, hindi tayo titigil sa parte naman ng pag-aalaga sa ating mga tao. Because this is equally important. No matter how successful we are in our collections and our enforcement duties, it's equally important that we take care of the welfare of our men and women. Importante yan. That's why during our several meetings for the last 2 weeks, my instructions are, number 1, tingnan natin yung ating complex. Baguhin na natin to, i-modernize. We will be moving out for a while and then be back soon. Malaki na, i-report na lang yan nila Bishop John kung ano na yung magiging pagbabago dito sa ating complex. Dahil, ilan ba yung ating plantilla available? Hindi, lahat-lahat, yung approved plantilla. 6,000, di ba? Mali yun. Alam nyo ba mga 7,000 yan? Kasi may kasama tayong mga malalaking daga sa kwarto eh. Di ba? Dapat bigyan nyo rin yun. Ayun, di ba? Ang dami eh, malalaki pa eh. Sila at Oranjek, nakakasalubong nila yun eh. Natatakot sila eh. So we have to move out and move back once we are able to already modernize our entire complex. That's already in the works. Pati lahat ng ating mga opisina nationwide, homework ulit ni DEPCOM IAG, General Arrigo Licop, make sure that all our offices dapat speak and span with standards at merong uniformity. Uniform yung uniform natin at yung itsura ng ating mga buildings dapat pare-pareho. And the reward should be taken more seriously and accurately. Yan ang pagtutulungan natin, June, no? And so on and so forth. Rest assured, everyone, that we are conscious and we are doing our best to take care of what's due to our employees. And we are here to make sure that once we leave the Bureau as your officers, we will leave the Bureau na ang ating mga tao ay talagang masaya na tayo ay nagsama-sama bilang mga kawani ng BOC. And lastly, I've been telling everyone that I'm really doing our best, and I hope you are with me, that we will have to have a bureau whose personnel are all committed in pursuing integrity, accountability, and we will deliver a modern Bureau of Customs. With your help, we can accomplish this. Unti-unti, napakita na natin to. Tuloy-tuloy lang, and I'm thankful that I am working with you and you're working with me. Salamat.